Now we will demonstrate how to insert a suppository in this toy. First you have to take the suppository. This is the suppository which we are going to insert. First we have to wash our hands. Then we have to open the suppositories like this. You can lubricate the suppository if it is required, and before putting you have to check the firmness of the suppository. If the suppository is not firm, then you have to put in the refrigerator for a few minutes so it will become firm. Now we have to undress the baby. His diaper should be get removed, and we have to raise the baby's legs like this. Then we have to raise the baby's bum so that we can see the anal opening, and in the anal opening we have to just slide the suppository, and we have to put little pressure over it so that it stays there. Then we have to hold the bum for few minutes so that suppository stays there, otherwise it will come out. Now this suppository will start melting down inside the body, and its effect. What we have to do in the bigger babies? In the bigger babies, we have to turn the baby to one side like this, and we have to raise its one leg so that an opening will be visible. Then we have to insert the suppository just like in the previous way. After that, again we have to hold the bums for a few minutes so that the suppository stays there.